Welcome to Java Forum. Today we are going to see how to install Redhat Enterprise Linux 6.10 in VirtualBox 5.2. Now I am going to create a new virtual machine. So I am giving a name Redhat 6.10. Now I am allocating 8 GB RAM to this virtual machine. Then hard disk size 20 GB I am allocating, and it is a dynamically allocated hard disk. So right click, settings, system processor. I am giving 4 core to this virtual machine. So storage, I am selecting Redhat Enterprise Linux 6.10 ISO file, which is already downloaded from Redhat website. Okay, review the settings before you start the installation. So I am now starting the virtual machine. Here the boot screen appears, and I select install the system with basic video driver. So I am skipping the media test now. Yes, now the installation screen appears. So English as my default language. So basic storage device I am selecting. So discard any data will erase all the data in the disk. So now I am selecting the time zone. Here I am selecting Kolkata. Now I am going to provide root password for this virtual machine. Now I am going to select the option use all space. Now write changes to disk. So now this will format the virtual hard disk. Now I am selecting a desktop as a installation type. So installation packages I am selecting as desktop. So now the packages getting started to install. So now the installation is getting completed. So I am going to reboot the virtual machine now. So you can reboot. Yeah, now the welcome screen appears. Click the forward button, accept the license agreement. So I will register later for software updates. Click forward. Yeah, now I am creating the user account for this virtual machine. So I will be logging by using this user account. So date and time as it is. So kdump, I am clicking yes. So now it will reboot the virtual machine. So now machine was rebooted. So now I am logging into this virtual machine. So now we will navigate all the applications installed one by one. So now I'm going to navigate the application one by one. So go to accessories first. So selecting the calculator. So calculator. So basic and advanced mode is available, working fine. Calculator. Then gedit. It's a basic text editor. So internet, Firefox web browser. Firefox web browser here, it's continued to be version 52. Then I am going to select a movie player. It's a Totem movie player. So then what else? RhythmBox music player. So all these packages are still continues in Redhat 6.10. So here I am selecting disk usage analyzer. So this this utility shows the hard disk in chart layout, pie chart layout. So what are the partitions available and how much space it is used, everything it shows in graphical format. Yes. Now disk utility also shows the partitions, what are the partitions available. So what are the peripheral devices attached, storage devices attached, etc. System monitor shows all the processor details, core details, and processes, what are the processes running, and resource utilization details. Then file systems. So it's similar to a task manager in Windows. So now I am navigating the file system using the file browser. So you can view the hidden files and you can view the files layout in icons, compact layout, list layout. So now I'm opening the terminal. Here I am checking some basic commands and what are the free programming languages available by default. So Python, Java, Perl, these are the programming languages available by default. Also, I forgot to say, so this Redhat Enterprise Linux 6.10 version is a very important version with major security fixes like security vulnerability fixes, like spectre and meltdown issues, and some package modifications in Pacemaker and clufter packages. So these are the Pacemaker and the clufter are the clustering utilities. So they have made some changes, and GCC libraries is rebased to version 7.2.1. So here you can see in the screen you can see the services. What are the services running? So preferences and administration menu is used to some system settings. So that's all, guys. Share this video if you like, and share your comments. Your comments are welcome. Bye.